Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Seattle Animal Rescue, which operates 15 shelters in 5 counties, lists Dalmatians among the 10 most abandoned dogs. They're difficult dogs, he says, wired, full of nervous energy, slow to learn, stubborn, have hearing problems, aren't real good around children and nervous and suspicious of strangers.
Let's help you make your mark.
It's difficult for most people to provide enough exercise for Dalmatians, and they aren't well suited to be service animals, law enforcement animals, or hunting animals. The breed also has many genetic issues due to poor breeding practices in the past, and is highly prone to deafness. How rare are Dalmatians?
Take our lead.
Dalmatians are very people-oriented. They thrive on human companionship and should not be left alone for more than 2 to 3 hours. They are a loving and loyal companion, however will suffer from separation anxiety if left for too long and will destroy your house in a panic. Dalmatians are not suited to living outside.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.